Ready to share detailed, high-value content and in-depth lessons? Create a webinar series. A series gives your attendees an intensive education, one that's worth some extra time and investment. Setup is easy. Just create a new webinar and choose the series option from the list of webinar types. Give your series a compelling title and choose the number of sessions. Choose to make the series free or paid. Next, give the first webinar session its own title. Set the date. Choose the starting time. Finally, set the duration. Choose whether this session is live or recorded. For recorded webinars, you can easily upload a video from YouTube, your computer, or your media library where Webinar Ninja hosts your videos for you. Repeat the selection process for each webinar in the series. Click Create and your webinar series is ready for you to publish. Make your webinar public or private. Choose a category and publish away. Once you publish, your registration link is ready to share with your audience. For each webinar in the series, Webinar Ninja's automated reminder emails are pre-scheduled to go out to registrants as the webinar gets closer. You can easily edit the content and timing of these messages. Email tags auto-populate each email with important info and links. You can enter the studio at any time before each webinar. For recorded webinars, you can enter the studio to add custom timed polls, offers, and handouts. Attendees can also submit questions for you to answer later. During live webinars, you can easily toggle between chat, Q&A, sales offers, polls, and handouts. You can share your own screen. Display a slideshow. Play a video from YouTube, your media library, or your own computer. You can even invite attendees to share their own webcam, joining you live on screen. As you present, you can change the screen layout to highlight what matters most. You can change the layout anytime during your live webinar. After each webinar in the series, registrants receive follow-up emails. Customize your emails to encourage replay attendance or take another action. When you've got more to share than usual, series webinars are the best way to turn your expertise into leads, sales, and revenue. Webinar Ninja makes it easy.